Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today we're diving into a topic that's buzzing with potential and excitement, the next bull run in the cryptocurrency market. Now, before we delve deeper, remember, I'm not a financial planner and this information is for your entertainment only. So always do your own research and never buy crypto you're not prepared to lose. Now I can almost hear the gears turning in your mind, thinking this might be another get-rich-quick scheme, but let's squash that thought right here and right now. This isn't about making millions from a $100 investment. This is about strategic planning, about understanding the market trends, and about maximizing your profits during the next bull run. The secret lies in the sleeper cryptos. You see, these are the cryptos that once reached an all-time high, say $6, but are now trading for 40 to 80 cents. The trick is to pick a handful of these tokens, say 8 or 10, and hold on to them. The hope is that 2 or 3 of these might skyrocket, going 10 times, even 100 times their current value. The rest, well, they might double or to quadruple, which isn't too shabby either. Agree? Let's be clear, this isn't a strategy to create generational wealth. But during the next bull run, it could be an extremely profitable venture. Now, the big question is, which of these sleeper tokens will make it to the moon? If you manage to acquire or mine about 10,000 of each, you might see some significant gains. For tokens like Shiba, you would need several million, being that they are only a fraction of a cent. Now, you might be wondering, what crypto projects should I focus on? Well, that's the $64,000 question, isn't it? Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. But stay tuned, we'll be delving into potential sleeper cryptos coming up soon. Let's dive into the world of sleeper cryptos. These are tokens that have shown potential but are currently trading at a fraction of their all-time high. Think of them as the underdogs of the crypto market, quiet for now, but could surprise us all when the next bull run hits. You're looking for those tokens that have taken a back seat but have the potential to skyrocket. Imagine a token that once reached $6 but is now trading between 40 and 80 cents. The goal is to identify, let's say, 10 of these tokens and hold on to them. The dream scenario? 2 or 3 of these could go 10 times, even 100 times their current trading value. The remaining might double or even triple. We're not talking about creating generational wealth here, but during the next bull run, this strategy could prove to be quite profitable. Now I must stress the importance of personal research. Opinions are as diverse as the number of cryptos out there, and what works for one might not work for another. The key is to find those tokens that resonate with your investment philosophy and risk tolerance and research. Don't take my word for it. Hey, I am just a guy on the internet. And let's not forget the golden rule of crypto investment. Only use disposable income. The world of cryptocurrency is a roller coaster ride, and you should be prepared for the possibility of losing your investment. So, are you ready to hear about some potential sleeper cryptos? Remember, this isn't financial advice, merely suggestions based on personal research. In the next segment, we'll be discussing some of the cryptos that could potentially make the leap from sleeper to star. But remember, the crypto market is a wild ride, so buckle up, do your research, and as always, only invest what you're willing to lose. Okay, here we are. Let's discuss some potential sleeper cryptos. The first one on our list is ADA, or Cardano. Originating in 2015, Cardano has been making strides in the crypto world, particularly in its focus on decentralized applications. Its unique proof-of-stake algorithm and layered architecture make it a promising contender. Next up is Kaspa, a relatively new player in the crypto field. Kaspa's unique selling point is its focus on scalability, aiming to solve some of the issues currently plaguing Bitcoin. With its DAG chain technology, it's certainly one to keep an eye on. Then we have XRP, the native cryptocurrency for products by the technology company Ripple. This has had a rocky start, but may be one of those special tokens to keep an eye on. XRP operates in a unique way, being pre-mined and used primarily for institutional transfers. This one could be a real dark horse. Moving on, we have Clore AI, a project focused heavily on artificial intelligence. The potential for AI in the crypto space is enormous, and Clore AI is at the forefront of this innovation. If AI is the future, Clore AI could be a part of it. Next is V-Chain, a blockchain platform designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes. Its goal is to streamline these processes and information flow for complex supply chains through the use of distributed ledger technology. Then we have Flux, a unique decentralized gaming ecosystem. It allows gamers to monetize their skills and developers to benefit from their creations. The gaming industry is a booming one, and Flux is carving out its own niche within it. Lastly, we have H-Bar, or Hedera Hashgraph, a newcomer with a good entry price but worth watching and holding a small bag of it. It's a bit of a mystery, but its promise lies in its unique technology that could revolutionize the way we transact and interact online. It's my smallest holding, but it could do great things over the next year. These are just a few tokens that show potential. But remember, it's crucial to do your own research. Investing in crypto is not about following the crowd. It's about understanding the technology and believing in the project. That's how you find the real gems. Investing in cryptos, especially sleeper ones, is a game of patience and research. And just like any other game, the more you play, the better you get. The crypto world is expansive and ever-evolving, and to navigate it successfully, one must be willing to continually learn and adapt. New tokens come out daily, and yet a real sleeper may be on the horizon. Consider when one or two of these are listed, try to mine or purchase a small amount and watch what it does. You should always exchange it if it isn't profitable when the market turns around. Remember, there's no foolproof formula for success in this field. I can't stress this enough. Hedge your purchases with doing lots of research in the projects before you buy. What worked in the last bull run may not work in the next one. The best strategy is to stay informed, keep an open mind, and make decisions based on your individual financial situation and risk tolerance. In this journey, you're bound to encounter a myriad of opinions and perspectives. My group of picks comes from my research as well as other content creators. Many are old-timers in the crypto world. The original OGs, all these voices, contribute to the rich tapestry of the crypto community, and it's crucial to listen. But always remember to filter the noise and focus on what resonates with your investment goals. Companies you like and believe in. Those who you will follow for years because, well, they are just that good of a project. It's also worth emphasizing the importance of due diligence. No matter how promising a token may seem, never plunge headfirst without doing your homework. Look into the project's fundamentals, its team, its roadmap. No team, be cautious, go slowly, and maybe mine over buying your supply. Ask yourself, does this project solve a real-world problem? Does it have a unique selling point? These are the kind of questions that can help you sift the wheat from the chaff in the crypto world. And let's not forget the golden rule of crypto investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This is not just about protecting your wallet, it's about protecting your peace of mind. The world of cryptos can be a roller coaster ride, and it's much easier to enjoy the ride when you're not risking more than you can afford. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, I urge you to keep the curiosity alive. Every evening, I carve out time to do my research. Well, about 4 nights a week because I love to learn, and this can be fun to share ideas with content creators on live streams and their Discords. Keep learning, keep researching, keep questioning. The crypto world is a vast ocean of opportunities, and every day brings a new wave to ride. Stay curious, stay wise, and remember, the world of crypto is as exciting as it is unpredictable. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your crypto knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribe to the channel. I also want to ask you to comment below and let me know what is your go-forward strategy.